This video is about making money from home, making money online, and specifically as an affiliate marketer. And I'm going to be talking about where to begin. What you're about to discover is not something that you heard before. It is something that's different. It will make a huge difference in your success or your chance of success. Most new marketers unintentionally omit this essential step. So if you want to make money as an affiliate marketer, if you want to dramatically improve your chances of success, keep watching. Stay with me for your bonus, because I'm going to share with you another way that you can make money online. After you watch this video, I'm going to invite you to watch another video about where to start, and you'll find a link below to that video. Before we dive into the video, if this is your first time visiting this channel, welcome. It's great to have you here. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'm George Pierce, and I create videos about making money online. If you'd like to work from home making money online, subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and I will send you an update whenever I make a new video. And if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income from home, click on the first link in the description below and I'll send you the details. Back to our video. So where should you begin? Where should you get started as an affiliate marketer? What I'm about to reveal is different, it's unique. I'm sure there must be others that teach this and share this. The only one that I actually know of is Zig Ziglar. Zig has passed away, but Zig was one of the most outstanding network marketers on the planet. Although I cannot make any promises, at least not legally, the following steps, which are simple, will make a huge difference. I suggest that you consider taking some notes or bookmarking the video, or both. It's that important. Now you may recognize, and you probably don't recognize or remember the name Howard Hill unless you're into archery, but Howard Hill was an archer. In fact, he's considered to be by most archers to be the greatest archer of all time. Out of 287 archery tournaments, Howard Hill came in first 287 times. He was so good that other archers did not want to compete against him. Howard could hit the bullseye dead center, and with his next arrow, he could split that first arrow and then do it again with his next shot. No doubt he was the best. Yet, I'm going to show you how we can change the best archer ever into the worst archer in just a few seconds. How? All we need to do is put a blindfold on him, spin him around a few times, and he won't even know where the target is. Pretty hard to hit a target if you don't even know where it is. Even if you're the best archer in the world, it's almost impossible to even hit the target if you don't even know where the target is. How about you in affiliate marketing? Do you know where your target is? Do you even have a target? Do you know where your target is? Do you even have a target? So let's lay the groundwork. Before we do, if you like this video, if you're finding value in this video, and I certainly hope you are, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Thank you so much. It's good for the channel. It's good for the video. I appreciate it. Getting back to our video, what is your target? Now your target is your goal, your destination, or in many cases it can be a number of goals. What you want to achieve. Your target is also what you want to achieve, what you want to accomplish. Your target is your what. You also need to begin with your how and your why. As far as the what exactly do you want to achieve? How are you going to achieve it? And why? What exactly are you going to achieve? How are you going to achieve it? And why do you want to achieve it? This is really simple, but it's also extremely important. So let me show you how you can go wrong when you do this, because I've certainly done that. So let me show you how to do this and do it wrong, and then I'll show you how to do it right. So what I want to do is I want to become an affiliate marketer, right? That's what I want to do. How I will achieve it, I'm going to achieve it with hard work, And why I want to achieve it is I want to earn extra income. That is not going to help you. It's not going to help me. It's not going to help either of us whatsoever. And why? Because it is not specific. What we're doing is we're actually programming what's going on upstairs here, and if our brain has a clear picture of what we want, if it has a clear picture of how we're going to get there and why we want it, it's going to be able to help us to create it. So what this is going to do is it's going to help you to be able to focus. It's going to help you to give you the direction. It's going to help you to get to where you want to be. You and I need to be specific about our what, our how, and our why. So that means that we need a specific target. We can't hit a target if we don't have a specific target to shoot for. But once we have a specific target, then it's that's our destination. It's a lot easier to get there. It's a lot easier to hit that target once we know exactly what the target is. Let me talk a little bit about our why and why it's important that we need to be specific about our why. Just earning extra income is not going to do it for our brain. We have to be more specific. So we need to let it know how much income. For example, maybe you need $945 extra a month in order to take that dream vacation, or $1,025 a month in order to purchase that dream home, or in order to save up for a down payment for the dream home, or you need $525 a month to upgrade your family car. Perhaps you want to go back to school, or you want to save for retirement. You want to catch up on your bills. You want to specifically fill in the details. I need this amount of money in order to be able to retire at a certain age. And the reason why your why is so important is your why is kind of like your motivator. It's going to help you to press on when things get a little tough. It's going to help you to stay in the game. It's going to keep you from quitting. And the only way you're going to be able to fail at affiliate marketing is to quit. So take a few minutes to create your what. What exactly is your target? What is your goals? What are your goals? What is your destination? What do you want? And then focus on your how exactly. What are the steps that you're going to need to take in order to get there, in order to make that happen? And just as importantly, you need to focus on your why, because again, your why is going to keep you in the game. Why do I want this? What that simply means to you is that once you create this, you've actually got a plan for your work. Now you simply need to work your plan. This brings us to our bonus. And the bonus is simply another way to make an income from home. It's going to help you to get a jump start on making $10,000 a month or more as an affiliate marketer from the comfort of your home. You're going to find a link below under Start Here. Click on that link and I'll send you the details. If you like this kind of content, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And consider subscribing to my channel so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I'm rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success, and I'll see you in the next video.